Gionee has launched its two new smartphones in India, the Gionee F205 and the Gionee S11 Lite. These handsets are made in India and they currently ship with Android 7.1.1 Nougat based custom OS, and there is no timeline for an Android 8.0 Oreo update. Now with that out of the way, here's our first look. Starting with the Gionee F205, the dual SIM smartphone runs Amigo 5.0.11f, the company's heavily customized flavor of Android 7.1.1 Nougat. It sports a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and is powered by a MediaTek MT6739 SoC coupled with 2 GB of RAM. In terms of optics, the Gionee F205 features an 8 megapixel camera with LED flash at the back and a 5 megapixel camera for selfies. The handset comes with 16 GB of inbuilt storage, expandable up to 256 GB via the microSD card. Connectivity options on the Gionee F205 include 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, GPS, micro USB and 3.5mm headphone jack. Notably, there is no fingerprint sensor on the Gionee F205 and this smartphone is powered by a 2670 mAh battery. It measures 7.95mm in thickness and weighs 135.6 grams. The Gionee F205 has been priced at 8,999 rupees in India. It comes in rose, gold, black and blue color variants. The smartphone will be available from Thursday via offline and online channels. On the other hand, the dual SIM Gionee S11 Lite also runs Android 7.1.1 based Amigo 5.0.13s. This handset sports a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and is powered by a 1.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 SoC paired with 4 GB of RAM. The Gionee S11 Lite sports a dual rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. At the front is a 16 megapixel selfie shooter and it comes with bokeh effect. Also, the smartphone comes with 32 GB of inbuilt storage, expandable up to 256 GB via microSD card. The S11 Lite has connectivity options like 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, GPS and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Notably, the smartphone is powered by a slightly bigger 3030 mAh battery. It measures 7.85mm in thickness and weighs 141 grams. It will be available at 13,999 rupees and it will come in black, gold and dark blue color models and will start shipping by the end of next month. And that was our first look at the Gionee F205 and the Gionee S11 Lite. What do you think about these devices? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.